ashes on my pants, my favorite ones, but I don't care no more. If you're not here with me, my favorite one, I might as well just go. I leave it in your room, my favorite clothes, and you can wear them out if you want. But just in case you miss the way I smell, it'll just be there. 'Cause I can't make you stay if you wanna go, but I will wait for you to say come home. Now might not just be the time for us. I know that what we have will always last. Oh, I fear the day might come that I will see you with another man. As much as it hurts me and it feels, I hope he holds your hand. I pray to God that you live happily, appreciate yourself. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be a family. 'Cause I can't make you stay if you wanna go, but I will wait for you to say come home. Now might not just be the time for us. But know that what we have will always last. Time is my friend until this life ends. There's nothing that it cannot mend. Every day I wonder if you ever miss my love. 'Cause I can't make you stay if you wanna go, but I will wait for you to say come home. Now might not just be the time for us, but know that what we have will always last. 'Cause I can't make you stay if you wanna go, but I will wait for you to say come home. Might not just be the time for us, but know that what we have will always last. Oh,
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to myself. I hope you know that I'm going crazy. I honestly don't know how much I can take. Will you be there for me when I'm feeling down? With the way you're treating me. I honestly don't know. I hope you know that I'm going crazy. I honestly don't know how much I can take. You'll be there for me, that much I know. I learned that the hard way to say goodbye. Hope you know I held it in as much as I could do. I won't hold back these tears tonight, all alone to myself. I hope you know that I'm going crazy. I honestly don't know how much I can take. Will you be there for me when I'm feeling down? Will the way that you treat me, I honestly don't know. I hope you know that I'm going crazy. I honestly don't know how much I can take. You won't be there for me, I know too well. No worries, I'll be gone before you know it. Know it, know it, know it. I hope you know that I'm crazy. Stare at a fire, dark if it looks like you're telling me I'm faded. It's cold outside, but spring's in a corner and I'm waiting. On the way to work, she saw the flowers blooming up, telling me how winter sucks for you. What more that I can do? You know we met this year last season, that's why so memorable for me. We worked so hard where we be, and that's enough for me right now. What you've been dying to see, but you be that flower for me. I prefer marigold, but it's the lily from the valley that you want. What you've been dying to see, but you be that flower for me. I prefer marigold, but it's the lily from the valley that you want. But I'd be so glad if I'm having you, yeah, yeah. For this moment, for this moment, yeah, yeah. Girl, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, that's it. Don't let it hurt, let it hurt, let it hurt, nothing left to feel. Winter or spring, it don't matter to me, as long as you're here. I can keep you warm till spring comes, yeah. Jasmine, marigold, winter soul, yeah. Whichever blooms first, I might call you by that. Whatever you like, daffodils, tulips, cause I really don't mind. If that makes you happy, then I'll be happy too. Oh, jasmine, marigold, winter soul, yeah. Whichever blooms first, I might call you by that. Whatever you like, daffodils, tulips, cause I really don't mind. Girl, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, that's it. Don't let it hurt, let it hurt, let it hurt, nothing left to feel. Winter or spring, it don't matter to me, as long as you're here. I can keep you warm till left to feel. When it hurts, bring it, don't matter to me. As long as you're here, I can keep you warm till spring comes. Yeah.
Can we go when no one else goes? Can I know when no one else knows? Can we fall in love in the moonlight? I wanna get lost with you. I wanna be lost in you, you. Been waiting a while for you. I need to do this right with you, you. I mean, if you want to. Can we go when no one else goes? Can I know when no one else knows? Can we fall in love in the moonlight? Poetry and pink flowers. So you meet me at the altar. Can we fall in love in the moonlight? Oh, moonlight, I'll be spending with you on these blue nights. You'll be holding me until the sunrise and the songbirds be waking up. Oh, and true love, kinda hoped it would feel like a rom-com. I've been planning this out in my notebook since I was a little boy. I wanna feel safe with you, but never be tame with you, you. And dwell in this dream with you, let the pain disappear with you, you. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Bottle of a Rolo in the palm of my hands. Maybe we could sip this liquor, pretend like we ain't friends for the nighttime. It's the right time. And happy ever after always seemed like a stretch. I said fuck those fairy tales and now I want nothing less from you, alright? Is that alright? Baby, love. Can we go when no one else goes? Can I know when no one else knows? Can we fall in love in the moonlight? Poetry and pink flowers. So you meet me at the altar. Can we fall in love in the moonlight? Can we fall? Oh, moonlight, we'll be spending with you on these blue nights. You'll be holding me until the sunrise and the songbirds be waking up. Oh, true love, kinda hoped it would feel like a rom-com. I've been planning this out in my notebook since I was a little boy.
Hey, you can open up to me, show me what's inside. Mother Nature made us to intertwine. Lavender elixir so full of pheromones. Give me one taste and you're gone. What if I can't get you out of my thoughts? What if my seasons don't change? What if you forget to forget me not and we fade away? You're my little flower, blooming in the night, only for an hour. The northern lights, my Casablanca sweetheart, nectar so divine. Baby, you're the best part of my life. What can I do? What can I say to convince you to stay? All I see are tulips and I'm a hummingbird. Heavenly ambrosia in every curve. Honey dripping over my imagination. The fragrance keeps flowing straight down to my soul. What if I can't get you out of my thoughts? What if my seasons don't change? What if you love me, then you love me not, and we fade away? You're my little flower, blooming in the night, only for an hour. The northern lights, my Casablanca sweet sweetheart. Nectar so divine. Baby, you're the best part of my life. What can I do? What can I say to convince you to stay? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I don't know why people go and it's a shame. And it's usually the people that say they never change. That's when you told me that the storms will come. We just gotta learn to dance in the rain. Then you said, don't worry, 'cause babe, you got me. And I'm staying right here. And though the seasons change, my love will stay the same for you. Yes, it's true. You're the only constant thing in my world. When there's no one left around, it's just me and my girl. I know that change is just a part of this life, but our love will stand the test of time. 'Cause baby, you're my constant, constant. Darling, you're my constant, constant. It's an unpredictable life on my own, yeah. I can be surrounded by many, but still feel alone. That's when you told me that you'd always be there for me. And I'm always coming back to the one I call home. Yeah, yeah, you're the only constant thing in my world, When there's no one left around, it's just me. It's just me, baby. I know that change is just a part of this life, but our love will stand the test of time. 'Cause baby, you're my constant, constant. Darling, you're my constant, constant.
I'll be your constant.
You're my constant. Darling, you're my constant. You're my constant. Pray, two hands tied together, I'll wait until the day you come back to me. When the leaves fall down, what shall we do now? When I try, play by morning if you're done, I might just leave forever. I can't wait forever. Voice, what's on your mind to me? Why won't you open up? right, baby. Now you wanna run away from me. Think that I was gonna jump from all your stories. Thought I couldn't take it, well you're mistaken, yeah. All I got in my mind right now, tryna make you feel like yourself. Open up to yourself. To be honest, we might fall apart, but until then I'll be trying to make your days better. I don't wanna see you break. Always saying that you're fine and okay. Tell me the truth, what's bothering you? If it's me, let me know, but I don't think that's the case. I just wanna hear you say, tell me what you like and hate. You've been so stiff and I wanna break. Baby, I can't get to with you. Baby, I can't get to with you.
I will sail across the world, row this boat from dusk till dawn, to a place where we belong. Girl, your body is calling me. There ain't no sunshine, no sunshine where I was before. But I found the love, the warmth in your arms. Won't you come closer? Let it take over. I don't need anything. I just want you. When I saw her in my dreams, never thought it meant a thing, till I felt and touched her skin. When she smiles, my knees go weak. There ain't no sunshine, no sunshine where I was before. But I found the love, the warmth in your arms. Won't you come closer? Let it take over. I don't need anything. I just want you.
talking about nothing, but we're always laughing. This time conversation, they raised my affections. Those were the good times, and I miss the old times. Have I told you lately that I miss you badly? Sometimes I wish that I could still call you mine, still call you mine. Now all I've got is the stain on my blue jeans. The only way I could remember that you were once mine. Your voice were lullabies. I would be listening till I was sleeping, but our situations, it stopped our relations. Why did we end it? Don't want to believe it, 'cause I'm feeling lately that I miss you badly. Sometimes I wish that I could still call you mine, still call you mine. Now all I've got is the stain on my blue jeans. The only way I could remember that you were once mine. Sometimes I wish that I could still call you mine, still call you mine. Now all I've got is the stain on my blue jeans. The only way I could remember that you were once mine.
I've been away for so many days, I'm missing it all. Where did our time go? I'm scrolling through pictures saved on my phone. I wanna go home, and I don't know why, but I'm so sentimental. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared, and all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful. All the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. I gotta say, there's too many days when I feel alone. So I pray to God, and then He reminds me I'm not alone. He gave me you. Oh, it's just so easy to be sentimental. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared, and all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful. All the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. And when I find myself in pieces on the ground, you pick me up and turn me back around. and any day could be our last. So I'll be holding on to all the love we found. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared, all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful, all the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. Where would I be without you? Ooh. Thank you for the love.
I'll said let's stay together. It's now or never, baby, it's time.